Northern Trust sponsored Margadarshi activities for people with disabilities. Inauguration of Margadarshi Resource and Training Center on 21st February 2016 by Ravi A. Gautam, Senior Vice President and Head, Northern Trust Asset Management India, along with B.L. Kamalarajan, Kunal Mali, Sharda Iyer, V. Venkatesan, Andrew. Solar water heaters and solar lights on 21st February 2016 by Ravi A. Gautam, Senior Vice President and Head, Northern Trust Asset Management India. Solar water heaters helps us to save Rs 10,000 per month approximately in electricity charges and helps in getting hot water always. Our center is situated in an area where there is severe shortage of electricity. Solar lights help students immensely in uninterrupted studies. Third floor infrastructure at Margadarshi Resource and Training Center, beds and cots, CCTV, intercoms, table and chairs on 25th August 2016 by Sara Vase, B.L. Kamalarajan, Sharda Iyer. Distribution of mobility devices and hearing aids at Kollegal on 27 January 2017 by Caesar, B.L. Kamalarajan, Sharda Iyer, along with Andrew, Lakshmi Aarti, Prasanna, Priya, Mahendra, Vishaka, Rohan, Shashi, Mohammed. Job Readiness Program. 107 girls have undergone job readiness training, out of which 81 girls have been placed in jobs. Certificate distribution ceremony on 2nd November 2017 by Ramesh Narayanan, Vice President, Head of Technology, along with V. Venkatesan, Avinash Gangadharan, Sachin Venkatadri, Dilip.
Livelihood tailoring training for women with disability. 30 people with disabilities were trained in basic industrial tailoring and 9 of them were provided with the sewing machines to earn a living. Setting up of computer lab and basic computer training for 20 girls and boys with disabilities.
Mobility Devices Camp at Pavgada, Assessment and Measurement Camp on 23rd and 24th September 2017 and Fitment and Training Camp on 5th to 8th December 2017. Totally 140 PWDs have enhanced their mobility. Their mobility has lessened their dependability on their caregivers. Thus, their caregivers invested their time in going for jobs. Mobility devices distributed at Bengaluru on 15 December 2017 by Veda Prasad, Senior Vice President, B.L. Kamalarajan, Senior Vice President, Head of Fund Administration India, along with Kunal Mali, V. Venkatesan, Sachin Venkatadri. Medical camps at Chamarajnagar district, therapy support to hearing impaired children and children with disabilities.
Training and capacity building of 30 mentally retarded children's mothers in therapy and disability management of their children at Resource Center, Bengaluru. This helped them to do the required exercise for their children at home, thus minimizing their disability.
Special education for special children and speech therapy to hearing impaired children. Surgery support to Venkatesh. Venkatesh, aged 18 years, was affected by polio when he was a child. Margadarshi identified him in 2015 when he was in 10th standard. He was suffering from multiple disabilities, mainly spinal, scoliosis problem, advised to undergo surgery. He underwent spinal rectification surgery on 11 July 2017. Bhavani, aged 15 years, was deformed by birth since her spine was bent, which was causing pressure on lungs, leading to breathing problems. Margadarshi identified her in 2015 and referred to medical experts. She underwent spinal rectification surgery on 29 November 2017. After intensive rehabilitation, she is now able to breathe normally and improving in overall health.
Margadarshi has a comprehensive education support program which starts from creating awareness, identification, counseling, training of students and concerned stakeholders. Northern Trust has supported the following activities for mainstreaming of 450 students at Chamarajanagar. Capacity building to increase their participation in schools and access their rights from authorities. Career guidance and strengthening in education for 10th standard students. Soft skill program to pre-university students. Educational assessment and guidance to 8th and 9th standard students. Participation of students in sports, cultural and recreational activities. Exposure visits and orientation of teachers. Supported to organize inclusive festival for 600 children. COVID-19 activities. Northern Trust sponsored 1050 immunity booster cum grocery kits to the families of people with disabilities in Chamarajanagar, Pavgada and Bengaluru, which helped in increasing their immunity. Northern Trust sponsored 14,297 PPE kits consisting of masks and sanitizers, head masks, gloves to primary health centers, community health centers, taluk, urban, district hospitals, ASHA workers at Chamarajanagar and Pavgada. 7,204 masks that was distributed were stitched by people with disabilities and parents of children with profound disabilities. It was a great financial support for 18 families in the present scenario.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಲೋಚನಾ ಅಂತ ಈಜಿಪಾಳ್ಯ PSC ಆಸಾ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಆಸಾ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ PSCಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಶಾ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ತಲುಪಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿರುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾದವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ MOS ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಅನೂರಿನ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ RCH ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ. ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಮತ್ತು NOS ಇವರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ ಇವರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಸ್ ಶೀಲ್ಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಏನು ಬಳಲುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವುಗಳು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Dr. Tirupataya, PHO, Pavagala. Today, on 13th November 2020, from Margadarshi and NOS, these organizations give for TH office sanitizer and mask, and PSC staff mask and sanitizer. General Hospital, Community Health Center, there are 2 community health centers, Tirumani and Awareness, and General Hospital, mask, sanitizer and face shield received. And also, in addition to that, all ASHA workers of our taluka received gloves, 1 pair, masks, face shield and sanitizer. These items are very helpful for combating COVID-19 disease. So we are really thankful for this Margadarshi and NOS.
Northern Trust supported 65 spinal cord patients with appropriate healthcare kits.
ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಿಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಡ್ಸೋರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವನಿತಾ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಬಂದು ಈ ಥರ 12 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಡ್ ಸೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏರ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಏರ್ ಬೆಡ್ಡು, ಡೈಪರು, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Volunteering support by Northern Trust. Till August 2021, Northern Trust supported 21 events, 206 partners participated, and total volunteering hours 100 and total man hours is 977. Skill training at Chamarajanagar. Mobility aids assessment and fitment at Bengaluru. Paper cover, paper bag and artificial jewelry making at Bengaluru. Therapy support for mentally retarded children at Bengaluru. Virtual volunteering on 21st October 2020 regarding career guidance. 23 partners participated. Thanks to Venki for organizing, Raksha for driving it, Lavanya for emceeing, Prasanna, Vinay, Nitin, Charan and Simha for sharing their knowledge, and thanks much to Shilpa and Ajit Prabhu for capturing all 5 partners' presentation in a nutshell. Virtual volunteering on 24th October 2020 for making paper bags or covers. 17 partners participated. We thank Venki, Lavanya and each of 17 partners in helping us to make paper bags or covers. Our heartfelt thanks to Northern Trust.